my name is Min. I'm working with the Riviera Group. Today we are representing the Riviera Jomtien project, and it's a project from Riviera Wong Amat Beach. Today we have the press trip from Bangkok and some local media. They get to have first glimpse of our magnificent showrooms. No one else have seen it. We got really good turnouts, a lot of support from Bangkok Post Today, which is really nice. Today we are talking about the new development that's going to be launched on the 24th of January. It will be exclusive glamorous night. It will be talk of the town party night. And also this night is going to be the event that everybody get to know and get to see the Riviera Jomtien.
With the job that I have, I do visit many different developments around town. This one, it's a lot more luxurious. They seem to be not only interested in making money, they have the garden area, so it takes up a lot of space. They really care about even the smallest details. The rooms, they felt really spacious and properly designed. The interior design, I think, was out of this world. I highly recommend this upcoming project, certainly.